Hi everyone, Cynthia here. Happy August. I wanted to go ahead and unbox my Allure Beauty Box of July 2018. It arrived pretty late, so I wanted to go ahead and unbox it. I haven't opened it and played around with it yet. I'm so excited. I'm sorry about my voice. It's still messed up because I'm still sick. But let's go ahead and open this box. So the Allure Beauty Box, for those that don't know, is $15 a month for 5 or more products. It kind of changes how many they include. The box for July did come with a lot of products. I believe it was 8 products plus like coupon code. And this was my first box, so I only paid $10 instead of $15. And I believe they send you an extra gift. So I thought 10 items for $10, sign me up for sure. So this is the pamphlet that comes in here with like the full-size products. I don't want to look at it too much because, you know, don't spoil it for me, Allure. Let's open it up. Oh, this is just $20 gift from BAUBLEBAR. I think it's like a jewelry online store. So this is a coupon code that technically is 1 item. So here it is. I'll check it out later, and let's open this beautiful box. Wow, look at that packed box. Now you're talking, Allure. So first item I see here is the Feel Harmony Rose Petal Facial Mask. So, you know, this is one of those masks that you put on and you leave on your face. Let's see if it says it here. For 10 minutes, and then you're gonna rinse it off. I love that it has this thing up here where you can close it. Therefore, I can probably get a couple uses out of it versus just putting it all once and throwing out, you know, the packet. I can use it a couple times. So I'll definitely get some uses out of that. Next up, let me get this big box here out of the way. So there's the OLAY Whip. It's a moisturizer. See if I can go ahead and open it up here. Looks like a pretty big box. It says trial size, so let's see how big or small the actual item is. So this is the OLAY Regenerist Whip. It's a pretty good size, and it's not hollowed out, so it's all filled, you know, to the top up here. Let me open it up. I've been wanting to try this. I was reading that a lot of people received it in like their Walmart or their Macy's box. I've actually never gotten it. I'm running out of moisturizer, and they definitely give you a good amount in here. Look at all of this product here. So I'm gonna take a little bit just to feel it. It smells great, by the way. It smells just fresh, not like a strong florally scent of anything, just a fresh scent. And oh, I like this. So while it's not too liquidy, it does have a nice thicker consistency, but not to the point where you feel like it's too much. And like I said, it smells great. I'm definitely very excited to try it out. So here's item number 2. Next up, we have the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil. So I saw these in Sephora. These are very new. They come out in a variety of colors. And pretty much they're an liner that you can use anywhere. I did, however, receive the color Full Red. As you can tell, is a red liner. You can pretty much use it for, obviously, your eyes, your lips, but even your brows from what I read. This is red, so it looks like more like a lip liner, but I'm sure other colors would have looked better maybe as an eyeliner. Of course, you can do whatever you want. So this is pretty cool just to give it a try. I'm not going to open it just because I don't use red lipstick. I don't know how much use I'll get out of it. I'm maybe going to pass it along. Next up, we have OUAI Leave-In Conditioner. This is a pretty good travel size. I've gotten a couple of these products on Ipsy from this brand, and I've liked them. So I'm excited to give this a try. Obviously, you just put it on your damp hair. You go ahead and you spritz it on. Let's see if I can maybe smell it. You spritz it on your hair, and oh, it smells so good. I like leave-in conditioners because they just are so easy. You just literally put it on your hair, and this one's a little like milky maybe. Oh, and it smells so good. It just leaves your hair smelling amazingly, obviously. Next up, we have, oh, there's a hidden item in here. The Antioxidant Lip Balm from the Organic Pharmacy. This is just a lip balm that's supposed to, you know, make your lips soft and smooth. It has shea butter, rose hip, and by the way, for those that like to trade, it has a seal right here. So I'll definitely test this out. I mean, it's a lip balm. I'll use it, but I'm not like going nuts for it. You know, maybe if it was winter time, I would be much more excited. Next up, we have Sunday Riley Luna Retinol Sleeping Oil. I was reading about this. Apparently the big size, you know, the normal size is really expensive. So the fact that we're getting this little bottle in here, this is supposed to be worth like $20 or something. And this is, like I said, a sleeping night oil. I'm not upset that it's small. You know, before you go to bed, you're going to put a tiny little drop probably. So I can see me getting a lot of uses out of it. So this has one of these droppers here, and it has a blue tint. Ooh, dark blue tint. And again, just before you go to bed, you go ahead and apply it. The blue tint probably disappears the more you spread it. Yep. It has a funny smell. I don't know how to describe it. Very strong, funny smell, but that's okay. I mean, if the reviews are saying anything, is that this is a pretty good product, and I can't wait to try it out. Next up, we have this DERMA-E Essentials. It's a mineral powder that actually has SPF 30. Once I saw this product, I was excited. I definitely wanted to give it a shot. Oh, it's pretty small travel size, which I never mind receiving because I travel a lot and I can just throw them in there. So again, this is a powder, and it looks like a little, has a little tan tint, which definitely will work for me. And again, it has SPF, so I will definitely give that a shot. Lastly, we have this DOUCCE or DOUCCE eyeliner. It's a precision eyeliner, and just look at that color. Can't wait to swatch it. Full-size eyeliner in like a blue, teal, can't describe it, but I love color liners. Let's swatch it out here. Ooh, that's me just lightly pressing it down. It's a very, very nice color. I like it. Even just putting it in your waterline, I feel like it just does so much for your eyes. So I have one more product here. And again, the reason why I signed up for Allure is because this month of July in particular, it came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 if you count the gift coupon. 9 items, and I paid $10. I think that's amazing. My new member item is this melting lip powder. It's supposed to be a long-lasting matte lip and cheek tint. So I don't know if you guys can tell when I move it. This is actually a powder. Look at that. Look at that movement. This is a powder that apparently, I saw other videos, by the way. This was in a recent Allure box, so I guess that's why they made it my gift. Apparently, when you lift it in here, the brush is wet by something up here. So the powder becomes a liquid when you pull it out. So let's swatch it here. Ooh. Looks like it's a nice, like, rosy tint. Oh, yeah. So the powder just becomes wet and becomes this lip tint. It's a pretty color. That's a pretty color. So that's pretty nice. Again, 10 items, $10. Cannot be upset at that. So feel free to check my subscription edition has spoilers for August, September, October, and November boxes. This is $15 a month usually, unless you sign up for the first time. Not a bad box. I got so many products, I don't know what to do with them. This was a great box in my opinion. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I can't wait to get my Ipsy and unbox that too later this month. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.